Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. It's your girl Queen from Sublistar, and today I'm going to be talking about why you should start a printing business in 2022. So are you thinking of starting up your own business, or do you have no idea how to start your own business? Today I'm going to be talking to you about the printing business, and I will give you some reasons to why you should start a printing business in 2022. Well, the first reason to why you should start a printing business in 2022 is because this is a time-tested industry. Like, ever since Johannes Gutenberg came up with the nifty idea 600 years ago, this has been so mind-blowing because the printing business has been around since the Middle Ages, and it's still with us now in the digital age. So this shows you that this is a very lucrative industry. The second reason to why you should start a printing business is because there is a huge demand in the printing businesses. There is actually a huge demand, and that is why the printing businesses is thriving. Businesses need business cards, hotels need guidebooks, event planners need brochures and posters. So you should actually venture into this because lots and lots of people will need to print out stuff. Schools will need to print out some worksheets. Everybody at some point will need to print out something that they can use in their daily life or at their work life. Printing businesses have lots to work with. Like I said previously, there is so much to be done in the printing industry. For example, you can print out business cards, brochures, flyers, coasters, bookmarks, flags, banners, invitations, bumper stickers, stationery, t-shirts, hoodies, hats, and many more other stuff that you can print out. I think that's quite amazing and pretty cool. Another fourth reason to why you should start a printing business in 2022 is because starting a printing business opens the door to a wide world of creativity. If you're a very creative person, this is definitely the business for you because you can use different types of materials and all that. But if you're not so much of a creative person, you can hire someone with the skills to do that for you. But if you're a really creative person, I think this is the business for you. You can use different types of materials, polyester, plastic, any type of material really, to print out any designs of your choice and all that. So get creative and start your printing business today. There are really so many reasons to why you should start a printing business, guys. Well, another reason is that starting a printing business is comparatively inexpensive. Generally, you need capital to start up a business, but this one, it's much easier to start up compared to other businesses like opening up a restaurant, because if you're opening up a restaurant, you need the place, you need lots and lots of equipment. But with the printing business, you don't really need lots of equipment. You would generally need about $200,000 to start up your printing business, and that will actually get everything you will need to start up your business. And you also don't need lots of staff running around to do your business. You can simply do it on your own. Another reason and advantage to why you should start your printing business in 2022 is because you have so many location options with the printing business. You can literally start up your printing business in any location. If you find a location where an office is opening up, you can use that chance to start a business. If you see a location where there is a school nearby, you can actually start up your printing business there as well. That is why it is very inexpensive to start a printing business, because at the end of the day, it shall all be worth it. Last but not least, if you start your own printing business, you will control your working hours, you will control everything because you will be the boss. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching this video. So if you want to start your printing business, feel free to contact us, get in touch with us, and we can let you know the types of printers that we have available. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the post notifications. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye.